Welcome to the CryptoBots Ninja channel. Maker coin has been hot recently. I made some 200 bucks on it yesterday or something like that, and I got out of the trade at 1680 because it looked bearish, and I will explain why in a second. Wheelie chart still has room to go to the upside, so I like that. The stock RSI still looks good in a nice uptrend. I'm trying to get rid of some of these lines, but I'll have to do it after. 3-day chart is getting cooked, so overbought. Be cautious. Daily chart, same thing. But the 4-hour chart is what I want to look at. 4-hour chart is making a higher low, and you are not completely oversold, but you're getting close. So I like what I'm saying. 2-hour chart's oversold, 1-hour chart's starting to curve up. I saw this is in a pennant, and it did break to the downside, but again, that's why I got out of the trade. And if we look at the 1-hour time frame, actually the 15-minute time frame might be even better to look at. You can see that you had a high, and that's basically a double top right there. But I thought it was going to make a pennant, and I thought it was going to remain bullish. Your low right there was 1685, then you made a lower low below that, then you made a lower high. So I decided, well, if you make a lower low below 1690 and actually put my stop loss right below here, below this wick right here at 1680, I want to be out of the trade. I got out of the trade. It ended up going down to 1644, and right now it's deciding what it wants to do. I actually did enter a short-term trade, like a day trade, a scalp trade. Probably I'll be in the trade for about an hour, so maybe by the time you see this, I'll be out. Based on the 50-minute chart curving down, and the fact you made a lower high again on the 15, I decided to enter a trade, a short trade, entered at 1666, and my take profit will probably be 1618. But if you lose, yeah, so, and then, yeah, that's what I'll do. But 6x short, we'll see what happens. 575 was the capital in the trade. We'll see what happens. But as long as you stay above 1623, really, technically you're still bullish on the 15-minute time frame. But short term, I do think we need a move back to the downside because you made a lower high. So we'll see what happens. But right now, if you stay above 1618, we'll call it 1623, then I'm still bullish. Otherwise, if you lose that, I can see a big move back to 1531. So that could be another breakout trade. We'll have to see what happens. Otherwise, if you hold 1618 or 1620, I'd be looking for a move back to the top of this channel at 1770, and that is kind of what I'm looking at. That's the range we're in right now, short term on Maker. I like trading this coin because when it moves fast and hard, and usually when it goes up fast, and when it goes down pretty quickly, most of the time at least. So that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the live stream at 7 p.m. Central Time tonight.